guys, welcome back to my channel. Like promised, I told you that I will be doing a beauty room tour. So here it is. I'm filming. This is the first time I film on my phone. Hopefully it turns out pretty well. Might be a better quality than my camera. Okay, let's get started. I will show you my, so this is basically my beauty setup. This is what I would do my makeup every day. I do use that big mirror, but I also have a little mirror over here that I usually bring it closer. I like to be up close and personal. I can plug it in into my mirror. This is by Impressions Vanity. It's one of the Impressions Vanity mirrors. It was a gift from my husband for Christmas, but my tabletop and my drawers are both from IKEA. I do not like that my drawers are gray. Before we moved into this house, I had my whole setup was in black, so my tabletop was black, my drawers were gray, and it kind of seemed it matched better. But for now, I'm working with what I have, and at some point, I do want to change these drawers, this one and then the other one, to be white. This is my light again, and this is the camera that I would use to normally film. I can set it up right there on my table. Oh, hey, there's me. Hello. I can set it up on my table and then, film that way. But because I'm going to be moving, I decided it's probably easier to do it with my phone. So this is the side. This is all makeup, or mainly makeup. We'll go through these pretty quickly. But here's the usual setup. It's my part of the room. I do share the room with my son because he's been at home since March of last year. We try to do a little bit of homeschooling, so he usually sits right here while if I'm not working, like this would be like my work space, like my actual work computer and all that. If I'm not working downstairs, if I'm working over here, he'll be sitting right next to me and I could do work and all that. Or sometimes if I'm doing my makeup, he'll be right next to me and I can help with learning. This is the one side of my room that I just really do not like, and I will be changing at some point. Right now, these cubbies are just filled with, pictures of things. There's some, like some books for my son. Those two over here, that big book and the box under it. I usually use these to prop my camera on the other side when I'm filming. There's just some stuff in that black bin for when I was studying for my professional engineering exam, my license. So there's just like, binders and stuff like that I don't know why I'm still holding on to, but I'm holding on to them. And that little bin just has random things. I do have these two little pictures here that I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with. The little one, the canvas, my son's classroom did that last year and I purchased it to support the school. And then the other one is a puzzle that I completed, but I need to frame it somewhere. Over here, that little, this thing, it's these were my wedding flowers. I tried to dehydrate my wedding bouquet. It was a big old fail. So that was like the best next thing to do. All of the flowers that were in my wedding bouquet, I did put them in this, what are they called? Like shadow boxes. I do really like it and I absolutely loved my bouquet. I wanted to hold on to it, but I really failed at, doing that. This is just like some, a personal item. Uh, yeah, these are some boudoir pictures that I did in September of 2020. 2020 was a really hard year for me. For the first thing that I lost the pregnancy. Then I passed my exam. Then COVID happened and everything else. So this was a gift to myself. I did those pictures, to just capture the moment. And then the picture that you see up there is one of the pictures that I actually really, really liked from my photo shoot. And I decided that I'm gonna hang it in my room. it is me. It is what it is. And I love it. I love looking at it. Here's another angle without all the lights to it. This other one is a canvas that my aunt actually drew this for me in 2004, I want to say. So it's pretty special to me. I know it looks like it's hanging by a thread, and actually is. And I do have a cat. So there's her little box. That's the one side of the room. Now let's go ahead and, oh, one thing I really wanted to show you. I know this, I look extremely funny. Excuse the get up. But here's my wedding dress. It's like, you know, it's still hanging in my closet, and yeah, I love it. I love looking at it. At some point I should probably get it preserved and put away somewhere. And then on this side would be like you know, like these over here boxes are makeup that I decluttered, that I do want to send some of them to Project Beauty Share. So until I get the chance to do that, they're there. Some skincare backups and stuff like that. This is my 2020 makeup empties. I need to get rid of this bin. All of my samples go in here. I recently reorganized my lippies, in which we'll see in a minute. So these are empty now, and they're in here just in case I need them. A lot of my perfumes are here. The ones that are really special, I have them sitting on the other side next to where I film. And there's like my my trash bin for when I film my empties. So there's this part of the room, and then in here I do have like just random things. One of the drawers would be, this one is nail polish. This one over here, just I have, there you go, there you found them, all of my backups of setting sprays and that kind of stuff. Okay, now let's go towards this section where all the makeup now sits. So I decided to keep like the things that I really enjoy the most right in front of me. I do have my favorite lippies over here. Most of this here is all of the products that I'm working on in Project Pans. These are the brushes that I usually reach for. I'm using that powder in a Project Pan. It doesn't fit in here, so it's sitting over there. And then on this side, I do have the perfumes that I really enjoy, or that are meaningful to me. This is like my wedding perfume is over here. This one is a recent present from my husband. This one was a gift for my birthday from my husband. This was a gift for Christmas from my husband. This was a Mother's Day perfume, and this one I actually randomly picked up recently, and I'm working towards finishing it, so it's over here. And then back there are just some brushes, backup brushes and all that. Okay, moving right along. This is where my the new setup for my lippies. So here are all of my like the declutter lipsticks and all that got reorganized in here. So now instead of having 2 drawers full of new makeup, I decided to go ahead and consolidate that, and I'll have my lippies in here in the top 2 drawers. So here they are, 2 drawers. And then back there I have like my allergy stuff, some brush cleansers and all that they just did not fit anywhere else, so they got stuck in there. This one now is the new makeup drawer, and I mean, if you watch my Shop My Stash videos, you've seen most of these drawers, so I'm not gonna go in too much detail about it. If there's one drawer that you really want to know what's in it, just let me know. Primers sit over here, and then right below it is setting sprays, primer mists and all that. And right below that is I have mascaras, lashes. I decided to go ahead and stick all of my sponges in this little container and keep them in there. Below here is you know, just like skincare samples, perfume samples, some towels that I reach for when I'm doing my makeup. There's like hair straighteners and stuff like that in here. And then this bottom drawer over here is where I keep like a notepad, filming accessories. I have my scale in here, and that's about it. You don't usually see these drawers anyways. Usually I stop, you know, here. And then on this side, the first drawer up would be my single eyeshadows, you know, single pan shadows. So they sit in here, and now I have my liners in there. Right below it is powders, like all of my powders sit in here. And below it would be foundations and concealers. I finally got to organize my concealers. I tried to do it by like, okay, summer shades, winter shades, but it didn't really work so well. So there it is now. It looks a little bit better, maybe easier to go through. Here are some eyeshadow palettes, the first drawer of my eyeshadow palettes. And then right here is the second drawer of eyeshadow palettes. You want to take a peek under my table? Here it is. I have a trash can. I have some boxes. These I already hauled. Well, there's only like 2 things in there, or 2 boxes in there. I just need to take the time and enter them into my inventory and actually put them in my new makeup drawer. And it's just an empty box and charger plug-in for charging while I'm filming or any other time. Now we go into this side, and the top drawer would be my everyday makeup drawer. So this is the one that I reach for every day. I either like wear makeup from here or from over there, which all of my project pen items are. The second drawer down is my face palettes. I couldn't think of the word. So all of my face palettes are in here. Right below it would be my bronzers, all of my bronzers. Below that are my blushes, all of my blushes. And then the bottom drawer down would be all of my highlighters. This is it. This is basically it. There's some more pictures over here. There's my son and a wedding picture. Oh, and some art from my son and a kimchi sticker he decided to put on the wall. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Can you see me? I don't know. Can I see me? Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if there's anything that you really want to take a deeper look into, please let me know. Here, let me see. How do I do this? How do people do vlogs? I don't know. I need to learn. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this kind of vlog style beauty room tour, a little peek into what my room actually looks like. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave me any comment down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.
From David, I'm
Scared the
here.
shit out of me, dude. Why would you do that?
I was joining your video.
What's wrong with your shirt? What's that?
Plant.
Dude.
I joined in your video. I'm here.
Get out.